We got the BMW X3 M40 right here, 2023. We straight piped it, which means we left on the catalytic converter, but we removed that resonator and removed the muffler in the back. Over here, once you remove the resonator, guys, you do have to throw in a Y pipe. Check this out. In the back, let's move on, is where the muffler was. The customer wanted to leave on these stock tips. I think it looks clean. It's just gonna sound a lot more aggressive. Try to insert a before and after of when the resonator was removed, and then afterwards when we did the muffler delete. We brought down the car, made them heard the revs, but it was a little bit too quiet for them. So they're like, hey, what's the next step? And of course, it's always removing that muffler. So we're gonna let you do a before and after, guys. Make sure you check out all the links in the description and let me know how it sounds.